Did you know that the global mRNA synthesis market is estimated to be worth USD 1.95 billion in 2023? Have you ever thought about how synthetic mRNA is produced? The production of synthetic mRNA involves in vitro transcription from a DNA template, purification and modification to create the final mRNA product used in vaccines and therapeutics. Presently, more than 30 companies claim to offer various custom mRNA synthesis services which include mRNA modification, mRNA purification, manufacturing/scale-up, and process development-related services. Well, you may also wonder what are the factors driving the mRNA synthesis market. It is interesting to note that the growing demand for mRNA as a drug agent, lack of manufacturing capabilities, and the need for independent geographical supply chains has prompted the growth of the mRNA synthesis market. If you want to learn more about current and future trends related to the mRNA synthesis market, click the link in the description to download free insights. Stay informed, stay ahead.